Would you like to cure your anxiety and lack of energy immediately? To live free from extreme fatigue and fear forever? In this video I will tell you how to boost your energy like never before, no matter how old you are. By revealing secrets only few people know about the splendid benefits of magnesium in our body and its miracle health effects. Did you know that magnesium is the most versatile mineral in your body and participates in over 300 hormone reactions? And up to 80% of Americans are running low on magnesium. Why? Magnesium is lost more rapidly than it can be replaced. Magnesium illnesses, both acute and chronic, trigger magnesium wasting. American diet has been stripped of essential magnesium. Water purifiers has completely stripped magnesium out of the drinking water supply. Stunning facts. Magnesium deficiency among U.S. adults is unprecedented and widespread. According to the National Center for Health Statistics, 68% of U.S. adults consume less than the recommended daily allowance, RDA, of magnesium, and 19% consume less than 50% of the RDA. Here is the solution. Jigsaw Magnesium. That will promote healthy relaxed muscle tone and function. Promote athletic recovery. Support steady energy production. Promote healthy, restful sleep. Support a balanced response to stress. Maintain healthy blood pressure levels. And many other benefits. For more information about Jigsaw Magnesium, click the link below in the description box now.